Doom-scrolling brain rot made us forget the power of beautiful shots. That's why today I'm going to show you some and how you can take them. You start the video, you gotta pull people in with some fancy shots to keep them watching. And what the hell is this shit, you may ask? Well, and see, I'm not the type of guy to spend thousands of dollars on the latest state-of-the-art gear, which is why I have a whole library of such shit. But wait, it's not always about the most fancy shots. Usually, you just gotta get back to fundamentals. First establish where we are, then show your characters doing stuff. Make them alone, small, lost in the environment. Then they're talking, you see what they see, and it's going good. Until it's not. So you feel the tension. And sometimes it gets emotional. There's chaos, discomfort, vulnerability. But what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And you come out of it like a hero.
And if you want to learn how to make your videos like him, join his new Cinematic YouTubers Academy from the first link in the description.